Hello and welcome to our video on how to archive all carousels you've shared by date on Instagram on your PC using the new update. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Once you're logged in, head to the bottom left corner and click on the More icon, which looks like 3 dots. Next, click on Your Activity from the menu that pops up. This will take you to a page where you can see all the photos and videos you've shared, including carousels. To view the carousels specifically, navigate to the Photos and Videos section, then click on the Reels section. Here, you'll find all the carousels you've shared. To make things easier to find, click on Sort and Filter. Now you can enter the start date and end date for the period of the carousels you want to archive. Once you've set the dates, click on Apply. Click on Select to choose the carousels you want to archive. You can select multiple carousels at once by clicking on each one. Finally, click on Archive and confirm the action. Your selected carousels will now be archived and stored for future reference. And there you have it. You've successfully archived all the carousels you've shared on Instagram by date on your PC. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful.